Hello YouTube, this is Christopher Mavros coming to you from Athens, Greece. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional contact form for your Joomla website in less than 5 minutes. As a matter of fact, you can use this extension to create any type of form that you would like. Now, for this presentation we're going to use Rapid Contact X, for which you can find the link in the description. This is a commercial extension and it includes a component and a module. So let's start by installing. We'll go to System, Install Extensions, and we can just drop the extension file here. So this is it, Rapid Contact X, and we can just click on Start Working with Rapid Contact X. This takes you to the welcome screen where you can select your preset. We'll go with Business Contact Form, but of course you can select any of those. Business Contact Form. And there is our sample data is installed, and you have a form preview here on the right. As you can see, it's quite a professional form. It has information, an email, company information, checkboxes here, a subject, a text area, and of course a send me a copy and a send message button. Now, before we dig deeper, let's just say that I always say Joomla has two types of content, the main content and the side content. Now, our main content is what we call components, and it's basically the larger area of your front-end website. And we've got side content, which is which are modules that are placed usually on sidebars or footers, etc. Now, this is a useful separation to have in mind because our components can be controlled by our menus. So let's go to our menu and create a new menu item, and we'll just say this one contact form, and select our menu item type, which is Rapid Contact X default layout. Before customizing this, let's just click Save. So this requires something is missing. If we go to options, we can see that there's an email recipient. We can write our email here, for example, test@mavroschristoforos.com, and we should also write a unique form ID. This is just a number, let's say ABC, or a text. It starts with a letter. Let's click Save and see what we've got in our front end. Now, as you can see here, we've got a contact form. We click on it, and here is our business contact form within less than 2 minutes. So now let's see what else we can do with Rapid Contact X. You can also create side content by going to Content, Side Modules, and it's got a pre-installed module here. Just click on it and select a position. Let's place it to our right sidebar and make it published. And of course, we should assign it to a menu item. Let's say home. And let's click Save. Again, we need to place a unique form ID. We should use something different from the one we used in the menu item if we want to have these two forms on the same page. Let's say DEF. And again, we need to place our email here. Don't worry about those mail from name, mail from email yet. And let's click Save here. Let's see what we've got. So if we go to Home, here is our contact form on the sidebar. So let's try this out, and let's write our details. Christopher, test@mavroschristoforos.com, company name mavroschristoforos.com, job title developer, and our inquiry is about product support, product information, and how to use Rapid Contact X. We're live and we need some info. Now, this here is a type of CAPTCHA to prevent anti-spam, and this can be easily switched to a CAPTCHA, but this is a default just to prevent spam if you don't provide any further configuration. Let's click Send me a copy and send message. that's it. It's as simple as that. Now let's just take a peek at the possible options we've got here. Now there's a text options, and here you can change a few of those text you see, the buttons, and you can add a text before the form. You can even place images or videos here. You can place any HTML you want. There's a few information about your form layout, whether you want it to be a full width form or the inputs to be smaller. The label position is usually hidden, but you can also place it on the left or top. This is the placeholder, the small text. Let's toggle the inline help here. It's a small text for the field types that allow it. It's a text inside the field that disappears when you start writing. You've got some options to create columns, to split the fields on 2 columns or more. A few colors, and you've got some style presets here. Let's try one of those out. Let's say we want a small orange curvy form. Let's see how that changes our form. See? So you can use those presets and change the form according to your website and make it look more like a natural form. You've got an autoresponder here. This is a simple option to send an email back to the users that contact you. And here's our anti-spam options. You can change the anti-spam question, its position, and if you switch to Joomla CAPTCHA plugin, make sure you have a plugin enabled and it's selected as your default CAPTCHA in the global configuration. You need those two to make sure that this shows something. So this is our preview of Rapid Contact X. Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.